Here we have a 2025. It's the Lexus IS 350. We just did a rear muffler delete out to some nice 4-inch black tips. It's all factory up front, as you can see. Left the factory cats and resonators as usual. It does have the rear mufflers deleted. Nice black tips to set it off. Should give it a little rumble. Let's see what it sounds like. Well, I definitely woke it up a little bit. Could always take the resonators out if you want a little louder, but the customer just wants a mild upgrade, a little mellow tone. She sounds pretty good. There you go. A little rumble before you step into it. Sounds good.